Hi guys, today I'm going to watch a video of Indonesian President Jokowi and his wife Mrs. Iriana watching the Mandalika MotoGP, which happened in 20th March 2022. Honestly, I didn't even know there was an Indonesian MotoGP race. So I had to look it up and find out that the circuit, the Mandalika International Street Circuit in Indonesia is very recently constructed. In fact, the circuit inaugurated on 12th November 2021. So very recently inaugurated circuit, and I think this is their first MotoGP event. Anyway, let's go and check out this video. The president of Indonesia watching the MotoGP event. That would be fun, right? Let's go. That's the president, and of course his wife. Look at that. It's a very nice looking circuit. Wow. Near the sea. That's the sea, right? Yeah. It's raining. They are explaining everything to the president. Oh, then this is the inauguration ceremony. Look at that. Ooh, speed. He really liked that. He really enjoyed that. And he is really proud of the circuit. You can just see that in his face. He looks like a very simple and polite guy, which is nice. And anyway, congratulations Indonesia, now you have a very beautiful racing circuit. Awesome. Anyway, that's it guys, that is my reaction to this video, and see you guys on the next one.